When it comes to mobility, Mercedes-Benz has been there right from the start. And Mercedes-Benz is continuing this leadership position with a vision for the future that we call CASE: connected, autonomous, shared in services, and electric. Together, these revolutionary platforms will shape not just the future of Mercedes-Benz, but the future of mobility itself. Let's talk electric. At Mercedes-Benz, we're convinced that the future is electric. And today's consumers are right there with us. They're changing from a mindset of fill-ups and mileage to charging and range. What's more, today's drivers are embracing e-mobility not just for the technology and efficiency, but because electric cars are just plain fun to drive. With power, torque, and responsiveness they never expected in an electric vehicle. And now, with the Mercedes-Benz EQ lineup, we're giving them an even bigger reason to get charged up. Together, EQ, EQ Power, and EQ Power Plus represent a serious commitment and broad investment in battery power and electric storage services for the home and road. A commitment so strong that by 2025, up to 25% of our fleet will be electric, with our next breakthrough vehicle being introduced in the coming year. Even Mercedes-AMG is embracing the power of electric. The Mercedes-AMG Project One combines stunning racetrack performance and practical Formula One hybrid technology with exemplary energy savings. Imagine the immediate responsiveness of an electric combined with the off-the-line explosiveness of an F1. It's electricity supercharged. The EQ concept brings together the latest generation of charging technologies with an expanded ecosystem, inductive charging, and an innovatively efficient charging infrastructure. There are also wall-box charging systems for the home and soon an on-the-go charging network that will help keep you charged regardless of your location. Plus, in certain markets, the EQ Ready app will analyze your daily driving behavior and help determine which EQ vehicle is right for you. We're doing all of this to ensure that Mercedes-Benz vehicles are not only the best cars in the world, but the best cars for the world. Connected, autonomous, shared in services, electric. CASE systematically advances these fields and allows us to stay one step ahead of a rapidly changing world. By reinventing our products, reinventing our brand, and reinventing the very idea of mobility for generations to come.